Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add Pine script in Tradingview. Now, a lot of people usually copy a Pine script but get confused on what to do next, like where to paste it, how to save it, or even how to make it actually show up on the chart. Sometimes you might paste it and nothing appears, or you get an error and don't know what went wrong. So if you've ever been in that situation, don't worry, because we're going to go through everything together in this video. I'll be showing you the complete process from start to finish, including how to open the Pine editor, where exactly to paste your script, how to save it properly, and most importantly, how to add it to your chart so you can actually see it working. I'm going to keep everything very simple and beginner-friendly, so even if this is your first time using Pine script, you'll be able to follow along without any confusion. And once you understand this, you'll be able to use different scripts to improve your trading and customize your charts the way you want. So make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss any step, and let's get started. What we want to do first is open our Tradingview dashboard. After that, what we want to do is go to the top of the screen and click the option that says Products. Then after clicking that, a new screen appears. This is where you will have access to all the tools you need, including your charts, indicators, and the Pine editor where we are going to be working. Don't worry if it looks a bit complicated at first, because I'm going to walk you through exactly where everything is and what you need to click. So what we want to do now is go to the top of the screens and click the option that says Indicators, then Options appear at the middle. Now we will click the option that says My Scripts. Then go to the right and click Create My Script. Once you click on Create, it's going to open up the Pine editor section in Tradingview, and this is basically where all the scripting happens. Now don't worry if this looks a little confusing at first, especially if you're not used to coding, because we're not going to be writing anything from scratch. We're just going to paste the script that we already have and make a few simple actions. You might also notice some default code already written there, so what we're going to do is remove that and replace it with our own Pine script. Take your time here and make sure everything is selected properly before deleting it so you don't leave anything behind. And once that's done, we'll go ahead and paste our script and move on to the next step. Now what we want to do is clear the default code for our new code. Then we will paste our code. After finishing that, we will click Save, or if we want to, we can add it to our chart. At first, it might look a bit complicated, but once you go through the process, you can see it's really just a few simple steps repeated over and over again. The more you practice this, the faster and easier it becomes. From here, you can start experimenting with different scripts, testing them out, and adjusting them to fit your own trading style. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.